Have you just bought the TP-link Archer AX20 Wi-Fi 6 router? In this video, I'll guide you through the entire first-time setup process, step by step. Let's get started. Router connection. First, connect internet cable to TP-link Archer 1 port, that in blue color. Now connect power adapter to router and power on router. Wait few moment while router LED light turns solid. Now connect LAN cable from router LAN port, that in yellow color. Or use Wi-Fi to connect from laptop or mobile using default SSID and password printed on the sticker. Step 2. Access router settings. Now open any web browser and access TP-link default IP address 192.168.0.1 or TP-link Wi-Fi.net to access router settings. You will get router login page. Use default login password admin or create new login password if first time setup. After login, router network map will open. Step 3. 1. Internet settings. First, go to Internet tab from top menu. Choose your internet type from dynamic, static, or PPPoE. If your internet type static, provide static IP address with subnet mask and default gateway as per your internet. If your internet type PPPoE, provide username and password and press save button from bottom right side corner. Step 4. Wireless settings. Now go to Wireless tab from top menu. Change SSID name and password for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless band and press save button. If you want use same SSID name for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless band, just enable the Smart Connect button to merge 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz SSID name. Step 5. Enable guest network. To enable guest network, go to Wireless tab from top menu. Scroll down page and enable guest network. Create SSID name and password for guest network and press save button from right side bottom corner. Step 6. Change admin login password. To change login password, go to Advanced tab from top menu. Then go to System and under System, go to Administration. Provide old login password and create new login password and confirm password. Press save button from right side bottom corner. And that's it. Your new Wi-Fi 6 network is now live. Grab your phone, laptop, and all your other devices. Go into their Wi-Fi settings, find your new network name, and connect using your new password. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.